Hey everybody, good morning. I am going to show you how to do one of your assignments today, which is to brainstorm sentences, good strong sentences with gerund as a subject in an opinion letter that you will write to a friend. Okay, so here are the instructions. It's called A Letter to a Friend, Step 1. And step 1, because this is a brainstorming activity. Okay, so you will click here on the document. Okay, all right. So the title of this document is How to Write Persuasively. Okay, here's the situation. You and your friend disagree about something. That is so normal, right? You will write a letter to this person to try to convince them to see your point of view. In other words, to agree with you, okay? Convince means to get somebody to think the same as you do. Choose one topic to write about, and here are 7 ideas, okay? So you will read through the ideas and you will choose just one. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Next, you will write which topic did you choose. Okay, I'm going to practice. Your friend is a night owl. Okay, number 7. You are a morning person. Oops, I need a period. You want your friend to be a night owl like you. And it's helpful if you spell everything correctly. So that's all for the second step. You just need to say which of the 7 topics you will choose. All right, or which you will write about. The third part, why do you have this opinion? Why do you think your friend has this opinion or is this way? Okay, so you're going to write your ideas here, and you must write at least 3 ideas for you. I gave you 6 spots, so you can brainstorm many ideas, and 3 ideas for your friend. So altogether, you must do 3 and 3, but you can do much more, which is a very good idea, okay? All right, so I need to use gerund as a subject in every sentence. Okay, so I am a night owl. So I'm going to use gerund as a subject to tell my friend why being a night owl is a good thing. Okay, so staying up late lets me do many things at night without interruptions from my family. Okay, you know this is gerund as a subject because you see the word staying. It's a gerund phrase because there are more than one word. It's not just staying. Okay, great. Let's see. Being awake late at night is good because in the summer it is very hot during the day. Okay, great. That's my second idea. All right, so these are just 2 ideas. You will write for your friend too, why your friend thinks getting up early is better. Your friend thinks going to bed early is a good idea because brains work better when they are rested. Yeah, okay, so here are some examples. Finally, you will elaborate. Tell me more. For each sentence in part 3, you will explain your idea using it as a subject and a connector word. Okay, so I'm going to just take one of my sentences. I'm going to put it down here. This was my gerund as a subject idea. Okay, and now I'm going to write a little more with it. Yeah, it is nice to do things that I want to do. I'm going to change things to activities that I want to do without stopping to talk to other people. I'm going to go on and say a little more. For example, I like listening to podcasts. If you don't know what podcasts are, go look it up. It is like a short radio show that you can listen to on your phone. So I like listening to podcasts without my headphones in. So I like listening to podcasts without my headphones in at night. It is a good time to do this. All right. So I elaborated a little bit, but most importantly, I used it to explain more. Okay? All right. So you will do this for your ideas, for you. And finally, you will repeat the activity, but this time with your own idea. So you need to think of an opinion you have. Think of the opposite opinion. And what do you want from that? Okay? All right. What do you want your friend to think? All right. We'll repeat the activity. If you have any questions, you can email me at beth@ili.edu. And I'm looking forward to reading your brainstorms. Have a good one.